Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Salmonella can be found in many foods including beef, chicken, eggs, fruits, pork, sprouts, vegetables, and even processed foods, such as nut butters, frozen pot pies, chicken nuggets, and stuffed chicken entrees. When you eat a food that is contaminated with salmonella, it can make you sick.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Rinsing tainted fruits and vegetables probably won't get rid of salmonella, according to the FDA. In general, it's important to handle foods safely. That generally means rinsing raw, whole fruits and vegetables under running water and, if you choose, scrubbing them with a small vegetable brush to remove surface dirt. 11 June 2008.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Most people with salmonella infection have diarrhea, fever, and stomach cramps. Symptoms usually begin 6 hours to 6 days after infection and last 4 to 7 days. However, some people do not develop symptoms for several weeks after infection and others experience symptoms for several weeks. 5 December 2019.
Take our lead.
While it's true that you can reduce the number of salmonella and E. coli by freezing, in practice that doesn't really matter because they start to multiply in the defrosted food immediately and surprisingly fast. If you want to completely eliminate salmonella and E. the 8th of May 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.